Quite often find when we've got students working on projects in my classroom that it's a competition for who gets my attention. And it's not always the best way just to rely on whoever gets their hand up or yells out the next quickest. So one of the things that I've started using in my class is a form so they can actually log this request for help. So requests for help. I'm going to have the first question will be just a paragraph text. Is what do you need help with? Question mark. I'm going to add here, what have you already tried? And this is almost a little bit to make them think, have I actually tried other things before I get to this point? Paragraph text as well. And I would like to see maybe a question on how urgently do you need help? And I'm going to put that on a scale, and I'm going to go soon would be good. Really need help now, because obviously they want help at some stage. And just because I sometimes forget this, I'm just going to put the name in as well, and I will drag that to the top of the form. So then what I will get here is a live form again, request for help, and I'll have that so that students know where it is, but the easiest way once again is just to use the shortener and the QR code, and we've got an option there. And then when the students get here, they go, oh yeah, it's Dave Collins, I need help implementing, sure they wouldn't use that word, a green screen, had a quick go myself, but heaps of colours are being removed. How urgently do you need help for? Really need help now. And I'll submit that. So what will happen for me as a teacher is if I go to view responses, here is a nice little thing which I quite often would even just keep this up on the board, name, and I'd add a final column which would be complete. And so I get to see up on the screen, here is a request that came in at a certain time for help, how urgent is help, and then I can come in and just type yes when it's done, and I just keep working down the list, and therefore I am answering the students in the turn that they actually request for help, rather than who is the most dominant person who talks the most in the classroom. Hopefully that one's helpful.